Learned State Counsel on instructions from H.C. Jagdish Kumar present in court submits that in compliance of the aforesaid order, the petitioner was taken under armed escort to attend the marriage ceremony and has been deposited back to the jail on the same date. On a query put by this court as to whether the petitioner can be admitted back in late hours, learned State Counsel on telephonic instructions received from Sri Harcharan Singh Gill, Additional Superintendent, Central Jail, Patiala, submits that the petitioner can be admitted back in the late hours in case such a direction is issued by the court. Stanza. In light of the above discussion, the petitioner is permitted to attend the marriage reception scheduled for today, that is 9/11/2023, as per the invitation card annexure P2 close stop. Petitioner be taken to the venue of reception under armed escort at 4 p.m. and brought back to the jail by 12 p.m. today itself. The expenses of the entire arrangement shall be borne by the family of the petitioner. There would be no need for a certified copy of this order for conveying the same to the quarter concerned, and any advocate for the petitioner can download this order along with case status from the official web page of this court and attest it to be a true copy. Stanza. We have heard counsel for the appellant and the Patna High Court LPA number 923 of 2011 dated 17/1/2013. Respondent University. No one appears on behalf of the respondent numbers 8 to 11 despite valid service of notice. The Bihar College Service Commission is stated to have been wound up subsequently. The notice issued to it has thus been returned unserved. We are informed that the functions of the commission have been subsequently by amendment been vested in the university. The appellant is aggrieved by the order dated 13/7/2010 dismissing CWJC number 3982 upon 97. Mandamus had been shot to be recommended the same of the petitioner for appointment on the first post of lecturer in commerce at the Dr. Prabhunath Singh Degree College, Chhapra hereinafter referred to as the college close, on the plea that he was working since 1982. Relief had also been sought to annul the appointment of respondent number 11. The writ petition court held that under section 57A of the Bihar State Universities Act hereinafter referred to as the Act close, any appointment in an affiliated college could be made only on the recommendation of the College Service Commission. The college was granted affiliation for the first time on 19/2/1988. Any service rendered before affiliation was rightly not taken into consideration by this commission stop over.